Hi everyone, welcome to the Social Stack, your go-to channel for social media tips and tricks. Today I'm going to show you a video on how to use the Command Designs applet and how to switch out photos without having to drag and drop and resize. We're just actually going to use a replace feature. Remember to go ahead and like and subscribe to get most updated information. So far I have just logged into commandagent.kw.com. And I'm going to go into that Designs applet on the left-hand side. As you hover over it, it's fourth from the bottom currently. Click on Designs, and it will take me in to my current designs. I am looking for something that's a social design that I've already worked on, so I'm going to go ahead and hit Social. And I don't see it in here yet, so let's scroll through. And here it is right here. This Zoom thank you is what I'm looking for. So now that I've found the template that I want to update, I'm just going to click on it and it will take me into that template. So you can see that we have 3 pictures in here already. So first thing we need to do is get our new photos in here. I have some screenshots on my desktop and I'm just going to drag and drop them in place here. So you can see I'm just dragging, I'm going to let go, and on the left it's going to start to populate. So I've got a person, I've got a guest count, and I've got a grid view of my Zoom. So what I'm going to do is just swap out these 3 images. So here is my grid view. You can see that I've clicked on it. And now it's selected, it's highlighted. And if I hover over this grid that I just imported and look for this button here, that looks like 2 circular arrows and it says replace image. When I click on that, it'll swap that image right in there for me and I don't have to resize it. Sometimes you'll see that it's following your cursor. You can just click on the gray area over here and it will let go of that image. So for my next one, I'm going to do this participants one. If I click on it, you can see that image is now selected. And I want to swap it with this one that says 51. So I'm going to replace that image and you can see it popped right in there. My last one, I'm going to do my guest speaker. So we have a guest speaker every week, every day. I'm going to hover over Sarah here, hit that replace image, and now she's popped right into place. So sometimes when they come in, you can see that it's a little fuzzy. If I go ahead and hit save, it'll clear that up. It's just a big file, so it took a second for it to buffer. So let's say I don't, Sarah's a little off center here. I'm going to double click her and you can see I can drag the photo around to put her right where I want. So once I've got her centered, I'm just going to hit done at the top of the screen. And now she's a little bit more in the middle. And that's it. So simply click your image, hover over the new one you want in there, hit replace. That's the same one I used, so that has now been updated. Make sure you go ahead and hit file save. And then you can come up to the right-hand corner and you can share it directly to social, or you can download it and email or manually upload to any of your social. And that's it for today. Thanks for checking me out. Make sure to subscribe to get your updates, and I'll see you another time.